माननीय श्री R धर्मार demand to open passport seva kendra in Ramnathpuram, Tamil Nadu.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. The Ministry of External Affairs and the Department of Post, DOP, KV decided adherence in the head post office in the various in the states. The post office passport seva kendra POPSK for delivering passport related service to the citizen of the country. The government intends to open the POPSK in the HOP in the country in such manners that there is a passport seva kendra available within in the radius of 50 kilometers of very rich post office. In the recent years, the Ministry of Cash made many quantitative and qualitative improvement into the delivery of passport service in the country. With the employment of the passport seva project in the partnership with it is a service provided MSDCS. The ministry has been providing quality service to the people from the passport seva kendra BSK established with the best in the class MDS across in the country in PPP mode. The people of the Ramanathapuram district, Tamil Nadu, has to the travel Madurai, Trichy, or Coimbatore for passport service, and there is an passport seva kendra in Ramanathapuram, Tamil Nadu. And say I request to the Honorable Minister for External Affairs in the to open the passport seva kendra in Ramanathapuram, Tamil Nadu. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Manya R. Dharmar ji.